Hello there. The International League is over, and in today's video, we'll be exploring more on how you can win bets within these matches, and I will be showing you how to predict or how to profit using these three sports betting strategies. These strategies are well proven and can guarantee success 6 out of 7 in every week. Now let's explore to know how this strategy work, and also with over 30 years strategy that have been working for sporty betting, we would like to use the same guide aspiring betting pros onto the right path. Now how this video is going to be is very simple. We will be selecting these three strategies and secondly find the leagues that the strategy works for. Okay, combining this video is very simple. So we'll first of all start with the first strategy or mentioning the strategy. Well, before we get right into this, congratulations to the VIP members once again. Yes, congratulations to them. Yes, yesterday I posted 23 odd in the VIP group, and at the end of the day it was kaboom. Yes, subscriber said it. I actually wasn't on live by then, so as you can see, this was the first day of Mr. Joe joining the VIP group, and all game went down to be successful. So if you are someone who is still interested in joining the VIP group, the link is still in the video description. Click on it and join. Now, or send me a direct message there to join. Now let's get back to today's video. All right, so here we are going to be mentioning the three strategies first. The first one is the over 1.5 strategy. The second one is the corner strategy, and the third one is the first half over 0.5 strategy. Yes, this might sound simple to most of you who are into betting for very long, but combining these three together with the leagues that you can get all of them from is a very big deal. So we'll be starting directly. I already listed everything, so I will just go straight to point and pick points them out. So we'll be starting with the 0.5 at first half, and these leagues are from Argentina. Yes, and I hope all these leagues are available for today. Now we'll be using this app. You can use any of your choice. Yes, okay, you can use any of your choice. So the first one that we'll be talking about is the Argentina reverse league. If it is not available here, definitely it will be available for today, because leagues are back and most of these teams will be playing. So you can as well as scroll backward to see if you can get Argentina reverse league. Okay, that is what we are looking for in this particular video. Let's go to Tuesday, Argentina reverse league. Wednesday, Argentina reverse league. Thursday, which is yesterday. So I think here we can only start from here. All right, so looking at it over here, these are a few of the reverse league match played in Argentina. Okay, these are few of the reverse match played in Argentina, right? So you can see it is also available here as well. Okay, now let's take a look at this. We are looking for over 1.5 at first half, right? Now combining these three matches they played on this very day, you can see first half ended with what, over 1.5. Meanwhile, we are only looking for one good goal. Now you come to the second one here, you look at first half, they were able to produce the over 1.5. As you can see over here, 1 over 0.5 is still guaranteed. Now you go to the third one over here, the match ended with draw 0-0, so the over 1.5 wasn't there. Now you go to Sunday, you check the same thing. First half over 0.5 was guaranteed. You go back to this place, you can see first half ended in draw. Now you came here, first half over 0.5 also guaranteed. So there is more probability getting the over 0.5 in first half. Look at this one again. Yes, there is more probability getting the over 0.5 in first half with this particular league, right? Getting the over 0.5 with this particular league. Now there is something you need to do. You don't just go that this is the league. No, once you get there, go to statistics, or you make sure you go to the statistics or head to head. Now you get there, to any of the team that is playing, go to their statistics. Yes, that is how you do it. Once you get to the head to head, a match already open. Let's close it, I think. Yeah, so once you get there, you first of all need to check. You first of all needed to check how they performed. Okay, for example, now if you go to today, then you go to this particular league, we click on it, you go to head to head, you see they have never met each other before, right? They have not met each other before. So let's go to Argentina and pick one of their matches. So you pick this one, you go to head, the same formation. You can see the two of them met once before. So you click on it to see how they perform. Their last matches, away team actually won and they score over 0.5 at first half. So that's how simple you do it. You check their previous matches to see if, let's say, if out of 5 matches, how many times are they able to score the over 1.5, over 0.5 in first half. Once you notice that if they have a higher chance, 80-90% of scoring, we are good to go. So that is for the over 1.5, over 0.5 prediction at first half and the league. Okay, the league is Argentina reverse league. They are the best across the world when it comes to over 0.5 at first half. Now the second one is draw prediction at first half. We look no further than to go to Egypt's Premier League. Yes, there are two, but the most surest one is the Egypt Premier League. Let's see, we don't have the Egypt Premier League here. So based on the same day that we do that, let's go to Egypt on that same day to see combining games on that very day, would it going to be a success to us? So let's go to E column. Okay, so on that day, Egypt league doesn't have any game. You can see we have England, Estonia. Okay, let's scroll down. You can see we don't have Egypt over here. So let's just type it. Let's just type the name. Then we have Egypt Premier League. Yes, here we go. Oh no, this is the England Premier League. We are looking for the Egypt one. If we don't have it over there, to be short, let's go to let's go to Saturday. Definitely Saturday is a match day, so we are expecting to see Egypt right there. Sunday. So you can see after searching for long, we didn't get anything of that choice. So let's just go directly to Google and type it with the Egypt. So we can just go directly to the Egypt Premier League. Now, this is the Egypt Premier League with no table. So we just need to click on head to head directly from here. So once you click on it, you can see you are going to see the head to head for every team combined. It is just every team because we did not selected any particular league. So Egypt Premier League statistics. Yes, it will be easier if you have leaks from there today to show more of the video, but like I said, it's Egypt. It is the Egypt Premier League that will give you the first half draw most of their leagues. Okay, now let's go to the over 1.5 to make things very easy for us. The over 1.5 predictions, let's just go there, which is the last one, right? Yes, the last one we can get it on two good countries that are best. Number one, we have Finland. Okay, we have Finland. We have Finland. Sorry, we have Finland. These two leagues are good. And then the last one and the most lucrative is the Netherlands game. Yes, it's the Netherlands. So combining the two, over 1.5 is nothing. If you go to their statistics right here and you check the over 1.5 predictions, you can see they play it in almost of their game. Look at it. Over 3-0, over 2.5, over 4.5, over 3.5, over 2.5, over 6.5 in the last 5 matches they played. So what is stopping them from giving you over 1.5 in just today's game? Now you come to another Finland league. Okay, this is another Finland league. Look at it over here. Over 3.5, over 5.5, over 1.5, over 1.5, and the last match they played in 2024 year ended up in draw with 2-0-0, which make it less of that. Now if you go to the Arena Divide itself, this is also a crazy league that give you the over 1.5. Look at it over here. Over 5.5, over 2.5, over 1.5, 6.5. You can see these teams score crazily. So when it comes to over 1.5, also these are the leagues. So now you've learned about the top 3 strategy that can help you with bet winning, the leagues that you can get a strategy from. The first one is over 0.5 in the first half. The second one is draw first half from Egypt Premier League, and the third one is from Finland and Netherlands, which give you what, over 1.5 in all their prediction. If you like what I do on this channel, kindly do subscribe and share the video with your friend. Drop in the comment section which strategy I should drop next. See you all in my next video.